Do you know what time it is? Let's get into the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. It's nearly 10 o'clock in the morning here and I'm having my morning coffee. Hope you're all doing well. So this week on Monday, dividend stocks. I have been using the app Stake in Australia, STAKE, available on the App Store. I've been using this since September last year, and I am a dividend investor, which is taking a long time to build because we lose virtually half our money when buying US dollars. It doesn't matter. It's a good return if you hold on to these stocks for a long time. All right, guys. So the purchases this week: PBA, ticker symbol PBA, Pembina Pipeline. These guys are in the oil and gas sector, so you can call that industrial. These guys are essential services. A lot of people rely on gas and oil, so I think it is a very good stock to hold in your portfolio. So this week on Monday, I purchased $19.95 of Pembina Pipeline, ticker symbol PBA. And for that $19, I got 0.8486 fractions of a share. So the effective price for the whole share was around $23.51. So almost got a full share of this company, which is pretty cool. The next one is everyone's favorite, Realty. These guys are a REIT, a monthly paying REIT. Now, REIT means real estate investment trust. So these guys invest in a lot of residential real estate. And I know that, obviously things are difficult for people to pay mortgages these days, but I guess they have a lot of commercial tenants as well. So things are starting to open up, and I believe that Realty is another great monthly dividend paying stock, and I think everyone should have this in their portfolio. Really good payout ratio and dividend yield as well. So good portion of my portfolio is Realty, and I'll continue investing in Realty. So this week I invested in Realty again, $19.95, which got me 0.3378 shares, which is a fraction of a full share, which the full share price is $59.06. But that keeps adding on each week as I reinvest the dividends and into the stock. So it keeps building my holding in that company. All right, guys. So the next one is my favorite, Starbucks. I'm a huge coffee nut, and Starbucks is one of those companies that, if you're going to invest in something you love, why not be coffee? So, so it's Starbucks. So I purchased $19.96 in a share, which gave me 0.2676 fractions of a share. So the full share price is $74.59 at the moment. Great company to invest in. It's got a really low dividend yield, so it's got a lot of growth, and it has been a fast growing dividend yield. So I think it's currently sitting around 2% at the moment, last I checked, but that could be changing, obviously. So it's got a lot of room for growth. And Starbucks is one of those companies that's now just released those coffee pods, which is available in all grocery stores here in Australia now. So I think they're going to get nothing but bigger and bigger and bigger. So we'll love to be a part of that company. So I'll keep investing in them. So the last one that was purchased this week was the S&P 500 high dividend ETF, which was SPHD. I've been investing quite heavily in this because it is a monthly payer, and you're basically spreading your funds across the S&P 500, top 500 companies in the United States. So if you want to diversify your portfolio, I think this is a really good one as well. And considering it is a monthly payer, which we all love to get monthly dividends. So I'm just having a look on their website now, and I think everyone should if you're going to invest in SPHD. Mainly their real estate. The real estate sector is made up majority of their portfolio, which is currently sitting at 20.21%. Utilities at 15%, financials 14%, consumer staples, so like toothpaste and whatever, is sitting at 13%. Energy, electricity, etc., is sitting at 10%. Communication services at 7%. Healthcare 4%. Materials at 4%, consumer discretionary at 3%, industrials 3%, information technology at 2%. So utilities and real estate are their big ones, and consumer staples. So pretty secure. I'm quite comfortable with SPHD, and I will continue investing in SPHD in the future. And I did invest $19.95, which got me 0.6056 fractions of a share. Total share price for a full share is $32.94. So basically I put in $100 Australian, and it got me 63 USD, and I split that up into 4 shares, so it got me a little bit more of each company. So that's basically what I do each week. I will either deposit 100 to 200, or if not 300 Australian dollars, and I'll divide that up in the amount of companies that I want to buy throughout the week, and it just keeps building every week. And buying those dividend stocks is going to get you those dividends every month and every quarter, and you can reinvest those dividends, which I think everyone should do. So hurry up and get onto it, and don't wait. Don't time the market, be in the market. I guess that's what everyone says. All right, so next up is the actual dividends that I received, because I have received quite a few of them, because it's June and it's mid-year, and basically everyone is paying this quarter. So I'll go through those now. So here they are. All right, guys, welcome back to my portfolio. You can see it's currently sitting at $4,360.99 US dollars. I'm up $71 on the day, 1.6%, and in total $201 in total, which is 4% over my whole portfolio, which is awesome to see it's growing. My buying power is currently sitting at $3.67, and they are dividends. Purely dividends from investing into these companies that I own right here. This is awesome. When I started out, I had $300 US dollars in the account, and I was getting like maybe 1 cent or 2 cent on dividends, and you can see it's growing really nicely. And I'd love to see that one day, $300 or $400 every month coming in, which means you need to be reinvesting, $50 or $60 odd thousand USD into the portfolio here to see that kind of a return. But we'll get there eventually. It is growing, but every week just make deposits and it will grow. All right, so the thing I wanted to show you was the dividend payers this month, which you can see here. All right, and you can see those purchases there from earlier in the video. PBA, $19, O Realty at $19, SBUX, Starbucks at $19.96, and SPHD. So I've split $100 up into those 4 stocks right there. And the 16th of June, which was yesterday, following dividends were paid out from ERF and Main Street Capital, and I was taxed 16 cents on that. 6 cents there, so I'm not sure if I got taxed on ERF there, but I'm sure I did. Anyway, Main Street Capital $1.07, Stag was 85 cents, Key 11 cents, McDonald's 6 cents, O Realty $2.17. So, and you can see the taxed amounts here. So O Realty, I got taxed 33 cents on that dividend there, and the total is $3.67 USD, which works out to be just over $5 Australian, which is pretty cool for investing into these dividend paying stocks. So you can see all my holdings here are mainly in the green today. Not many red, which is good. The market's coming good, but it fluctuates every day, and goes up and down. But I guess the main thing is you have to stay in the market to see those gains and those dividends coming in, which everyone should reinvest and keep investing your own money as well into these stocks. And you know, if you're not comfortable with buying stocks, you guys should buy index funds, you know, such as VOO. This one here is a great one, of Vanguard. And if you want to, the VTI, which is again the S&P 500, but it's total market. And this one here, you know, I'm just slowly building up in these index funds as well, but it's up to you guys. But keep investing. So now let's check out the total dividend income for the year. All right, stick around. All right, so I am using Div Tracker. This is an app I found on the App Store. Instead of using Simply Safe Dividends, I'm using Div Tracker. Simply Safe is great, but it's very expensive. But this is just an option just to, you know, see your dividends and keep track of them. So currently sitting at $256.69 USD yearly, $21.39 a month, 70 cents a day, and yield is 10.12%. Today I'm supposed to be receiving a dividend of 90 cents from Gladstone Investment Corporation, and tomorrow the 18th I'm receiving nearly $5 from PSEC. That's going to be awesome, because that is going to allow me to buy more shares in a company. So my portfolio will probably jump up over $10. On stake you have to have $10 minimum trade every time. So be awesome to have that coming in $5 every day. It'd be awesome. So waste management is due on the 19th. Flower Foods on the 19th. Excuse me. Dominion Energy on the 20th. Shaw Communications on the 29th. Oxford Square Capital on the June 30th, and PepsiCo on the 30th. Canadian National Railway on the 30th. Coca-Cola, Nike, and so on and so on and so on. It's an awesome app just to keep track of what's coming in. And my top payers are PSEC, sitting at $54.44, Realty at $32.15, SPHD at $18.86, ExxonMobil $18, Main Street Capital $14, AGNC at $13, PBA at $12, Stag $11, Philip Morris $9, Gain $8, MO Altria Group $5, Oxford Square Capital $5, Vanguard long-term corporate bonds $4, AbbVie, where are we? ET, IMO, T, 3M, IRM, CVX, blah, blah, blah. There you go. All right, so I won't go through all of these, but these are all starting to get lower and lower, and I'll have to invest more in these companies. But so yeah, these are my top three payers. So I've got PSEC, Realty, SPHD, ExxonMobil, and Main Street Capital. So there you go, guys. That's my portfolio as at the 17th of June 2020, and I will keep reinvesting as we go. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it helps the algorithm and it will get the channel growing a lot faster if you guys like it. If you guys like the content, make sure you like the video as well. And thanks for sticking around. And we'll be posting up some more videos towards the end of the week if I do some more purchases, which most likely I will. If not, we'll do some next week. But all right, guys, so thanks for sticking around. Take care. Stay safe. Peace. Cheers.